Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 28. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to evaluate the expression using the given value of the variable. And so for this one, we will be needing to substitute x equals 2. All right, so we have 8. And then we have a parentheses, and then we have an x, and so we're going to put a 2 in there. Then we have plus 3, and the parentheses, and minus 64. All right, so then inside the parentheses, we will have a 2 plus 3. So that leaves us with 8 times the 5 minus 64. Okay, we'll do the multiplication. 8 times 5 is 40. We have minus 64, and that gives us a final answer of minus 24. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.